Good morning, guys. It is our first morning at Rio. Babe, say good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, now.
Yeah. So we're going to breakfast, but I wanted to show you guys. Apparently, I think Babe said he showed you already.
Yeah, no, you were the inside. We did tell them saying you are tired, so I don't know it's the inside.
Oh, this open.
Alright, hold on, baby.
You guys, welcome to our view. So pretty. Y'all always get an ocean view. Ocean views, bomb.com. This is our balcony. Yeah, this is our balcony. So like we can chill. Like, yo, you guys, I'm ready to extend my stay. I haven't even been here a week yet, and I'm already ready to extend my stay. But yeah, it's pretty spacious in terms of like windows. So babe, see your champagne glass over here?
Yeah, you want to have tonight?
To us, yeah, yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are real from recourse and unfold.
Rise and boast.
Cause we no rise and boast.
No, you minute.
Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings upon my life and
Bless
me thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me say blessings fall by my right hand. Bust a toast for your friends, we take off every load. Alright, let me go. This guy's been waking me up since. Joel. This guy has been bugging me like, babe, we not got breakfast, babe. We not got breakfast. You have the key? You have the key? I don't need to take it out. You have yours. Babe. Babe. You don't want breakfast? Yeah, it's in here. Babe, you don't want breakfast? Babe, we not got breakfast? Babe, alright, babe, go and sleep. Me go circle down there.
Everybody say I sleep.
Me go circle.
Me
go circle down there and come back. That's all. Joel is just all before. Once we fully booked everything, Joel was just like, hello. Joel was like, yo, real this, real that, real this, real that. You know what time I got real this, real that.
Now read it out Empress and tell us if we go read this time.
You guys.
I love you, baby.
You guys. This new girl. Go to wait. So stop pressing it so much. You're talking about germs and the virus. Stop pressing the damn button so much and don't press it with this part of your finger either.
Alright, Miss L. Zero.
They're right about Miss Elk here. So guys, yeah, we're going to whoa, wrong way. We're going to breakfast, so when we get there, or I'll just vlog and see what happens.
Right,
I want to go to the beach.
Yeah, no, sexy body.
No more, I'm going to the beach. Hello, come in. So boring.
Well, one with it. Zero, I'm never looking. Otis.
That's your problem, y'all don't read.
Oh, I love read. Like, I read like me read over 100. That's my money.
Joel, just because you read 100 bits doesn't mean say you can't read.
Like read and that.
I never said you don't like to read. Oh, never mind. But I know what Stop yelling. Sorry. But I know what you mean, what I meant when I said that.
Yeah, I know what I mean.
Oh, catch me here.
Alright, I'm gonna catch your body. Catch your outfit. Big ass.
Stop coming in. I have to walk. Okay, guys, so this is my outfit of the day. Cute little bodysuit.
Why the fella dark up there? Yeah, it's so bright.
Yeah? Cute little bodysuit. Are you still seeing
Go
it
out
dark?
more. Go out more.
Are you still seeing it dark?
Yes, I'm at the
Stand in here, so.
Yeah, you know what I say.
Cute bodysuit. Shorts. Yeah, girl.
Simple and sexy, yeah?
Breakfast attire. You're so annoying. Oh. Oh, my mask.
Put it on from them. So this is the route. Breakfast. Restaurant. We have breakfast. You know, we early still. We're not that late.
Oh.
What time? Like. No, we're not late. We're not early at 10.
So what time they close?
I think at 10:30.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's how they try here. They must have breakfast and then they eat like an hour space or so before lunch. You check that? I mean, you gotta say, I'm fucking
Right, I forget my phone.
People don't want to see the water, people don't want to see the ground. Big ass. What's it big? Yeah, remember?
What's the hot belly?
No, your belly not big. Good, lie. You do a lot of time for yourself. So. Hips them broad.
Stop.
Them have outdoor dining like. Yeah. If you want to come out, come dine anyway. I want to stay inside. Different from where you want. Yeah. Go back and talk to your people. You proceed at it. Sanitize mask.
Alright guys, I'm gonna get breakfast and I'll be right back. Okay, come and can't hold this and I'll hold my food set time. So when I get my food, I'll come back to you guys. Ooh, you guys, I didn't even realize. So bully beef, beans. I'll make this one. Babe. So you're not, it's alright, me go get the dumpling. I can't believe I left my phone upstairs, but this is what I got. Oh shit, I forgot the beans. I forgot the beans, but yeah, this is our breakfast. Pancakes, baked fried egg, my bacon, my scrambled eggs, my hash brown, ackee and saltfish. I'm thinking this is some kind of like fried fish or something. I got a croissant and I don't know what this is. But I got a croissant and my fried dumpling because I can't eat without fried dumpling. Yeah, girl. It's litty. Alright guys, so breakfast is done. We're going explorationing.
Morning walk.
See everything, where we want to go.
We're going to open the slide first.
And all of that kind of stuff. Ryu is nice.
Very.
And this is like the upgraded one. It's funny because when we were initially planning the wedding, I had a wedding planner who was, babe, no, in our room them part we are gonna. Yeah, this was the place that I wanted to come, like for the wedding week or what, weekend or whatever. This is where I wanted to come. And like when we seen the upgrades, I was like, whoa. But then when everybody was getting the prices, they were like, no. But yeah, came here anyway. Babe, these are people's rooms.
No, this can't believe you're going to everyone to go to the... I'm going to go. Actually, it's the room, let me touch it. I can pass on our operation at the new. This is the first time I'm going to... No, that's somebody there and block it down. That's not a big part of the see. Since I'm coming around this one. You stop right, that's it. Go on the over and block it. That's how they put the water pump up there.
Come on, man. Now I'm basics.
A6 one.
I like your shots though. Shots them festive.
Oh, that's how we have it.
Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's raining. There's a gym, babe. Oh, well. Oh, wow. Well then. We should come here and get married.
Yeah. Get a picture, video. Take the picture. Make it who and us on the two pool panda.
Oh, okay. He's very festive, you guys. I like the architecture. I like how it built. It's nice. It's pretty. Even like the simplest of rooms, like everything. Yeah, it's really nice.
The standard room, bed and everything.
Okay.
I
gotta pee.
I
gotta pee. Alright guys. On the water park.
This is the look on last night, Bobby. You can play pool game. That's why I watch ball game.
Yeah, so
yes.
anyways guys, I got my drinks. Babe is holding the other one. This is the Jamaica Smile. Wait. This one is Jamaica Smile, and the one Babe has is Rastaman. I'm excited to try them. As soon as I get into the room, I will try them and make you guys know how it tastes. Okay. This is Babe's food. I'm coming on my food, I'm come take out my pork, and I take a wing. Guys, real? When I learn them yeah. I'm gonna consume this. We finally got our fridge. Our fridge wasn't working, so oh wait, I gotta wipe it down too. We got a fridge now. That should be working. Let me put it a little higher. Yeah. So we can have our drinks stored in here. The only thing we don't have, which I never noticed, it's like a microwave. But so far so great. I'm loving it. I'm excited to try this pork. I've been babe. Oh, hold on.
Index horse nuts.
Oh.
You're the master. You're the master.
Hold on.
New license on 1750. And I'm not giving them people my money.
My father waited until the last hospital.
He's gonna be so cool. Wait, you haven't touched those before? I've had perfect attendance since kindergarten.
Okay, second floor escaping.
One wanted to mess up your record. That's cool.
I knew that in the future, this one unexplained absence would keep Greg from getting into Harlem.
Yeah, but you're kind of like just say it was your fault.
Same thing happened to Colin Powell.
The only thing I'm worried about is what people miss us. Like who? The only person I'll miss you is me. The only person I'll miss me is you.
Alright.
Things aren't much different now.
It's all cool down now.
Okay.
The big steps on the floor is one thing. So the balcony door was open. So it's cool now, but leave a couple of times. The turn on the fan mode, the fan will help cool down in here faster.
Okay.
Too late.
Hey, where do you think you're going? I'm going to renew my license.
Oh, get in line.
This is the line to renew your driver's license?
No, this is the line for tickets to see Screedy Police.
Yeah, this is the line.
Try
Alright, so I've set it to the lowest speed, so the 25 that you see now, that would be the room temperature.
Okay.
So as soon as the room gets colder, it will gradually go down.
Alright.
While my father
Keep walking.
My biggest worry at this point was that the cops would think I was chasing Greg.
Now more than ever, BET is here for you and will continue to more than ever. BET is here for you.
While we were cutting class, Greg was sweating like little Kim in Sunday school.
Yeah, people, out here. I forgot when I got this picture. All that people. Your favorite this girl, Louisa. Louisa Bling. What you bling? You're the bad shades.
Representing Zoe Shabling. Talk to me nice. Talk to me good. Yeah. How stay real great.
Yeah. Yeah, you reach side, yeah.
The clothes nice too.
Yeah.
A nice infinity.
I said I come right now. I infinity them to it, you know. I don't realize.
See the ending.
Yeah, I don't realize it, you know.
Nice.
Say it infinite now. You never used to say so. Originality.
Originality.
Original me. I just mean say that. You know, I have one go with that. You want to teach me, them style like that. Well, I have it for a long time still. To be honest with you. Yeah, man, it's bad. Right, now I run over in a summer house I was staying in an infinite pool, you know. I just love the world. But how them do it so though? I ever wonder. What them really do?
I don't know.
What that, That's science piece, you know.
No, I think they have like a part in there where.
Oh, see it, where it run down.
Yeah.
But it does not show, yeah. Feet pan sun, you know?
Yeah.
Pretty toe.
Thank you.
Well done. So we're sweet there up there, so up top. True fine winds. So we're room up there, so in the middle. And this your market with?
Yeah, and this.
Oh, and the local track here, this.
So I said somebody want my picture, remember?
Oh. But the shade there now, you can't tell the picture there.
All I tell you. So you can sit down right here.
Future the bling. Yeah man, them two, yeah man. Them
This
two, yeah.
feels cool.
Yeah, and cool too, plus we get the sun. You want to go there so go tan, because you don't know you're white, you know. And I like me, you're black already, you know. Love my blackness, you know.
Oh yeah, that
But my white keep cool. You Like the man said the fruits, man, partially white.
Yeah.
Foot cock up and dashboard and a bag of things. Wow.
Good.
I'm telling you some fish now the one down something with my head like. Down at the Airbnb before checking.
I seen a fish. I had enough.
Anyway, fish there, anything is liable for you know that the water there. Remember me tell you that? Go up a pool now. You know some pool shots. Yeah, take a picture.
The backdrop is nice, not lie. This just this have a buzz. Yeah, girl, this nice, bad. Joe,
No, I'm going to go near the camera though.
look for me scream.
Where?
Look for me scream.
Scream?
Look on the scream.
One single tiny drop.
Okay, so
Hush. A scream. And a screen, a screen.
it's a scream.
A screen. Okay, I have list them. That's all
I don't have a list on. Can you leave me alone? Me house fee have elevator, not a don't ever lie that. Hello, take camera. Get your money longer. Straight on and around, I'll make the wrong turn.
Money maker anyway that. Conspiracy for millions. Blend the van.
We're not going under. Ready? Broad pocket now work. Straight on and around, I'll make the wrong turn. Get the cheddar. Money maker anyway that. Dig it up with the leather. Money maker anyway that. Dig it up with the leather. Hey, you know what I'm saying? You're coming like girl one time. We are cock up foot fast.
Why?
People see boy yeah, but you back up. Yo. Oh God, can't bother. You always want the fraud parts, but not taste good. Are you that girl? Oh man, me at oh man, me at your favorite. I don't know. But yeah, girl, are you that girl? All right, I'm gonna take a picture of the people, the man. I'll come back soon. Here. We pooling.
The front camera.
We pooling. I'm going to. No, this is nice. Bad. This is a very nice decoration. The decoration, look at that. The decoration just nice, man. Wow. Yeah, girl. Are you that girl? Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Are you? If you ever.
Ready now. Eastside.
Song a blast like torpedo, my flow to my soul like magneto.
So me no watch people. Me for a reason. When you call me a mama. Give me rose that grew from concrete. She said, if you catch COVID-19, she catch it. Brain like this, who needed me? Who needs me? Who needs me?